जय आयुर्वेद। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आयुर्वेद टीवी में हम आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। आयुर्वेद के प्रचार और प्रसार को ध्यान में रखते हुए हर वो अच्छी बात जो आयुर्वेद जगत से संबंधित है वह आप तक पहुँचे, यह हमारा प्रयत्न होगा। आज आयुर्वेद के परिक्षेत्र में एक विशेष कार्य हमने महसूस किया है कि हुआ, वह आप तक पहुँचाना हमारा परम कर्तव्य है। आज नई दिल्ली में इतवार के दिन अपनी बातें करते समय माननीय हर्षवर्धन जी ने जो कहा उसे आप सुने। आयुर्वेद के लिए वाकई वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है और हम इसके लिए उनका आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। कृपया सुने।
And now, moving on to the questions I have received from some of you. The very first question in this Sunday Samvad is from Mr. S.L. Mehra on immunity boosters. He is a retired government officer from Delhi and he has asked, when the efficacy of Ayurvedic immunity boosters is not fully established for COVID-19 treatment, then why are these being advertised with various claims? Mehra ji, Ayurveda has a holistic approach towards disease management, wherein salutogenesis is a major approach towards treatment of a disease and evidence-based natural Ayush remedies for health promotion and immunity modulation of the people during the COVID-19 pandemic. The interventions advocated for COVID-19 like Guduchi, Ashwagandha, Guduchi and Pipli combination and Ayush 64 have a substantial number of studies which prove their immunomodulatory, antiviral, antipyretic and anti-inflammatory properties. These interventions have also shown a good binding affinity with COVID-19 virus in silico studies. Furthermore, on the recommendations of the interdisciplinary task force set up by the government, scientific studies have also been initiated with the aforesaid remedies to assess their impact in the prophylaxis, secondary prevention and management of COVID-19 afflicted cases. The second question in this episode is from Jitendra Kumar. He has asked, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's COVID-19 post-recovery document recommends consuming Chyawanprash daily. However, Chyawanprash from companies like Dabur and Patanjali consists of over 65% sugar per serving. Sir, how is this product even remotely healthy for anyone? Jitendra ji, Chyawanprash is an age-old Ayurvedic multi-herbal formulation that has been scientifically proven to be antioxidant, immunity enhancer, immunomodulator, anti-degenerative and overall health promotive to enhance the quality of life and prevent infectious diseases. Chyawanprash is the foremost and traditionally used Ayurvedic tonic for preventive and promotive health care, particularly for strengthening respiratory immunity, for mitigation against repeated infections, and for geriatric health problems. The information available through clinical studies from databases evidenced that individuals who consume Chyawanprash regularly for a definite period of time show improvement in overall health status and immunity. Studies have also shown its potential as neuroprotective, cytoprotective and with antioxidant properties. Regarding sugar, it is one of the essential ingredients of the classical type of Chyawanprash to be used in prescribed proportions in making the product, which is in compliance with the provisions of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and Rules 1945. However, sugar-free versions of Chyawanprash are currently being manufactured and are available in the market for those who are either not willing to use sugars or are medically advised to avoid sugar-rich foods and drinks.
कैसा लगा आपको? जहाँ तक मेरा समझना है, उन्होंने जिस तरीके से कोरोना में आयुर्वेद के प्रभाव को और उसके वर्तमान परिप्रेक्ष्य में महत्व को समझाने की कोशिश की है, उससे आयुर्वेद जगत उनके प्रति अपना आभार व्यक्त करता है। और साथ ही हमारी जो हजारों वर्ष पुरानी औषधि है च्यवनप्राश, उसकी प्रामाणिकता को आज के वर्तमान परिप्रेक्ष्य में माननीय केंद्रीय स्वास्थ्य मंत्री जी ने, डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन जी ने जिस तरीके से रखा है, आयुर्वेद जगत उनको आभार व्यक्त करता है। धन्यवाद।